This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Tuesday, July 7th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. Asia shares fell today, with South Korea leading declines after Samsung Electronics' earnings guidance today prompted investors to reassess their AI positioning, while oil prices edged up slightly higher upon reports of rekindled tensions in the Middle East. The South Korean chipmaker Samsung delivered a blockbuster earnings forecast, projecting a 19 times surge in its second quarter operating profit year-on-year, exceeding the company's combined earnings over the previous 3 years. Despite these eye-popping results, investors remained cautious. The stock tumbled 9.8%, while South Korea's Kospi benchmark index fell 8%, triggering circuit breakers as traders questioned the sustainability of the AI-driven demand. The weakness also spread across the region, with MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan easing 2.6%. The tech-heavy Japan Nikkei benchmark index slid 2.4%, while Taiwan shares fell 1.8%. Staying in South Korea, another major company is making headlines today. Hanwha Ocean shares tumbled roughly 23% after the shipbuilder missed out on a bid to build Canada's next-generation submarine fleet. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney named Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems as the preferred supplier, disappointing investors who had hoped Hanwha would secure a contract reportedly worth up to $100 billion over 3 decades, according to the Korea Times. Elsewhere in global markets, tech stocks sold off in early European trades. The pan-region Europe's Stock 600 Tech Index opened 1.9% lower, with shares of ASML, Infineon, and ST Micro all falling more than 4%. Separately, all 3 major U.S. stock indexes ended higher overnight, led by optimism for a strong second quarter earnings season. Futures point to a flat start, with the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and Dow E-minis down 0.3%, 1.2%, and 0.02% respectively. Moving to the commodity markets, oil prices ticked higher today as geopolitical tensions returned to focus. An oil tanker was reportedly hit near the Strait of Hormuz, while Axios reported that Iran had resumed attacks in the strait, raising concerns about potential disruptions to global oil supplies. Brent crude rose to $72.34 per barrel, up 0.49%, while the U.S. West Texas Intermediate gained 0.54% to $68.92 a barrel. U.S. President Donald Trump will attend the NATO Leaders Summit in Turkey tomorrow amid ongoing tensions with European allies over defense spending, the Iran conflict, and Greenland. President Trump also renewed his threats of military action yesterday as Tehran struck a defiant tone following the funeral of former Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg. And Lens on Daily for the latest tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.